Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Mate Xs 2 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find sounds and vibration. Then let's go to the ringtones section, and here we've got the phone ringtone, so the option we're looking for. As you can see, it is divided between two different SIM cards, so you can set totally different ringtone for the first one and different one for the second. So let's simply tap on the phone ringtone. Okay, just tap on agree, and here we can choose for which SIM we would like to change the ringtone. I'll show you how to do it for the first one. So under it, here in this preset section, we've got the pre-installed options, pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the very bottom, we've got the option none, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify you about the incoming call. And on the other hand, at the very bottom at the very top of the list, we've got the option music and device and video ringtones. Basically, after tapping on this option, you will be transferred to your own file. So if you've got something, for example, downloaded, then it should at least appear right here, and you will be able to choose it and set it as a ringtone. You can also change vibration. So in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it. So I will pick, for example, this one, and let me volume it down definitely. And this is how it works, basically. Tap on it and listen whether you like it. And let's pretend I wish to set this dream option to as my ringtone. So just make sure that it is marked and then go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, our device will use the chosen ringtone to notify about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.